Duck wrangling.
Ducky, duck. There she is.
Let her be. We'll get her last. We'll get the ducks first, and then we'll get her.
This is hilarious.
Come on, ducks. It's time to go to bed.
You're
Come on, it's time to go to bed.
Go on.
Come on. It's time to go to bed.
off they go. Over the wheelbarrow.
Bedtime. Come in.
Have to go around the wheelbarrow. Well, guess not.
Stand up.
I'll go down there.
Nope. Down. Downward. Go on. Go.
Hey, what about me? Hey, you forgot me? This is duck wrangling. This is funny. Every night. Right there by the woodpile. And in a little pen.
We got them in. Narcy's the last one.
She's right there. She's back.
And they're all in there. I don't know where the 3 new ones are. Oh, there's young ones. Now we get to get the chicken wrangler going. Oh, that was too easy.
She's always easy. She likes
Yes, a narco duck.
Narcy.
Yeah, narco, Narcy.
Narcy.
I
She
didn't
likes
name it.
being held. So.
I didn't name her.
Yeah, I know, I did, because she kept falling asleep on me.
Hold that door, Joy. Don't let them out. There'll be goats running for the hills. Hey, there's your duck wrangling for tonight.
Shut up.
Ooh. Slap that
Like
duck
you were
off
any
her
help.
face.
Yeah, exactly. You were a hell of a lot of help.
Hell no, I was too busy filming it. I thought it was hilarious. Now you got 3 more. Wait a minute, you forgot us.
No, they're all in now. Everybody's in.
No, they aren't. What about those 3?
Them 3 are in.
Oh,
They're in their pen.
Yeah.
all right.
They're in the bird pen. They're fine.
Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah,
Exactly.
they're flapping. All right.
Well, that's what they do. They're ducks. They're birds. They flap their wings.
It's my daughter, by the way.
Oh, God.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Dad's going to sit up here and just watch this calamity go on. Because I know it'll be, it's going to be,
It's the chickens.
it's going to be worse.
Yeah.
I've seen it worse. This was an easy night.
Yeah, now that the ducks have learned.
Nah, have a good night. Bye.
There. I'll show